Ready to dive into the most decadent chocolate experience of your life? Let's go behind the scenes at Crumbl. Today we're unveiling Courtney's Flourless chocolate cake. Picture this, a rich glossy exterior that glistens under the lights. As you slice through, steam rises, revealing a gooey, chocolatey center. It's every chocoholic's dream come true. Our CEO, Jason McGowan, has poured his passion for perfection into this creation. Each bite delivers an explosion of intense chocolate flavor, perfectly balanced with just the right amount of sweetness. The texture, pure magic, dense, yet incredibly smooth. And here's the cherry on top, it's gluten-friendly. While not certified gluten-free, it's a delightful option for those seeking indulgence without the gluten. At Crumbl, we're all about pushing boundaries and delivering unforgettable moments. So come join the Crumbl Nation and taste the passion in every bite. Courtney approved, Crumbl delivered. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious discoveries.